Today I want to talk about a statement I occasionally see people say online. Whenever people talk about doing document review using AI, there's going to be a smart person that will jump in and say something like, well, I hope your model is trained on legal documents or something like that. So today, let's talk about why that is such a ridiculous thing to say. All right, so just to restate real quick, the statement usually goes like this. I'm going to review data using generative AI, and someone replies, is your model trained using legal documents? All right, so there are two sides to this ridiculous statement. One is training. Normally, we are not going to be training any models or doing anything like that. Most people are going to be using general purpose models from AWS like Titan or OpenAI or some other models that have been built, they're done, and they work. We're just going to pick that model and use it as is. We're not going to be doing any training or anything remotely like that. Those models are the best. They're better than anything else that is out there. They're better than anything you can train yourself. They do reasoning better than anything else. So we're just going to take those and go with them. We are not training anything. Is there a time when people actually do training? Yes. For example, you have like a law library and you want people to ask, legal questions on the law library knowledge, you may consider doing specialized training. Or if you're creating maybe a chatbot that's doing some kind of customer support, you may want to train that chatbot on specific types of data that you're going to be seeing, specific questions that will be asked. What we're talking about is general purpose models. They're general purpose questions. There are no specific models or specific training that needs to be done. So that's why question of training is irrelevant. Now, the second part of this that also really bothers me, when people say legal documents. What is a legal document? What do they mean, legal documents? We don't work with legal documents. The document review happens on regular documents. They happen on Office emails, Word documents, Excel files. They're not legal documents. We are in a legal business, but the documents are regular Office files, they're reports, they are some kind of spreadsheets, presentations, whatever they are. We don't have specific legal documents to train our data on. They're all general purpose. Again, same word. They're general documents that people are writing and creating. And depends on what business that company is in, the documents may skew to one way or the other way. But they are regular emails and regular documents. So there is no such thing as legal documents to train on, unless, like I mentioned before, you're building like a law library Q&A chatbot. That's a different situation. But when we're doing document review, there are no legal documents. They're all regular documents. We throw them into general purpose database with quality prompt, and that's how we're getting our results. So there you go. After seeing this statement 3 or 4 times online, I just had to make this video. I had to get it off my chest. Please don't say that. There are no legal documents. There are no special training. Stop this nonsense. All right, if you got your opinions, put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow on LinkedIn, subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you on another video.